There are two types of report. One is the newspaper report. And the other one is the report we write in a magazine. We are going to cover both these topics, but the report which we write usually in exam is a newspaper report. I am going to show you a quick guideline on how to attempt magazine report. How to write magazine report. Actually, these reports are written after a work is assigned to you, and you have to submit a report of how the procedure was, how you have completed the work, how many days it took or how many hours, or how much time you took to. We are going to start with the magazine report. This is our first type of report which we usually write after a job is assigned, a task is assigned to us, and we have to submit a report after completion of the task. So let us begin. In magazine report, the format is you write dear or respected, whoever you are writing the report. If you are writing the report to the class teacher or the principal or some officer of importance, you have to write respected. Otherwise, if it is an unofficial report which you write after completing a task which is given to you, you can write dear. So after writing this, you can start with the report with the first para. First para will contain which task you have completed in this report, what work was assigned to you and who has assigned the work to you, that you have to write. Second paragraph, you have to, how did you start your task, how did the procedure started, how it ended. This is the second para. This will have the detailed information about the task you are doing, which people supported you while completing this task, and whatever you have done while completing this task, all the things will be mentioned over here, what steps you have taken. The third para can be the continuation of second para, because obviously when you do a task, you need a lot of people to support you. You need much time to do that. It's a long procedure. You can continue in the second para. And in the fourth para will have your suggestions or your observations. Now let me tell you one thing, that when you do a certain task which is assigned to you, it can be to encourage the people to participate more and more in the polio drive. It can be the task given to you to start a cleanliness drive in your area or in your school, or it can be arranging a intercollegiate or inter-school competition. So when you do that, what is your observation, what you have observed while working on this particular topic given to you, what are your suggestions, you can mention over here. And at last you can write by. After by, you can mention your name. Here we end with the format of the magazine report. Next type of report is the newspaper report. Now students do such mistakes in this report. They get confused between the magazine report and the newspaper report. Here in the magazine report, you can mention the words like I, me, us, but in the newspaper report you cannot mention I, me, us, we. So because the newspaper report is always written in passive voice, it is not in active voice. So students, do remember this thing, that you cannot mention anywhere that you were present at that event where you have observed and then you have written the report. So what is the format of newspaper report? First you will start with, first is the title. You have to give a catchy title. The title should be catchy. The reason for title to be catchy is that when we also read newspapers, we read the headlines. If the headline seems interesting, then only we go through the news. So this is the trick The title should be catchy. Like if I write a title, Mumbai Run for the Nation. Here I am writing the title Mumbai Runs for the Nation. That means I am writing the report based on a marathon held in Mumbai. So after reading the title, a person should feel the interest, should have interest in reading my report. So that's why the title has to be catchy. Next paragraph we are going to start, and the most important thing while starting a newspaper report is to write the date and the day. This is the most important thing. Like if you want to start the report, I can write on Monday ///16. I can write further, a marathon was held in Mumbai wherein 5,000 students participated. Now the first paragraph when I am writing, I have to write the content of the report in very short, so that by reading the first paragraph only the reader should come to know what is the report about. If the reader feels that he has some time or he has some interest in reading the news further, so the reader could read the news further. So next paragraph we are going to start, second paragraph. In the second paragraph you have to mention everything in detail. But here let me mention again, do not use the words like I, me, our, us. These words cannot be used in the report, because this shows that you were present over there, and this report should be always in passive voice, like a third person. So when you write the detail in the second paragraph, the third paragraph will be again, this important event has took place. When you interview some important person, maybe the organizers of the marathon, and you take the interview of those people, you can mention the replies given by them or the interview given by them within the inverted comma. The dialogues can be mentioned, but you can never mention that I asked this question to them and they looked at me and he answered to me like that. You cannot use these personal terms. In the third paragraph you can mention the interviews given, and in the fourth paragraph you have to write the suggestions or observations done by you, but it should be like a third person. Suggestion or observations. Now when you cover the report in all these paragraphs, you have to keep in mind the report should be complete with all the minute details in that, and the title should be catchy, and at last you have to write by newspaper reporter or news correspondent, or if it is a report based on a school, some event held at school, you can write school correspondent.